Howdy everyone, welcome back. I am here at the field by the library. It's right across from the park that I was at yesterday, where that rally was. And, well, if you want to see something cool, well, check this out. This is cool old non-running train right here. It's pretty cool. And here's my little one. Well, where are we going? But yeah, who knows where he's going. Oh, he's heading towards the road. Okay, again. Will? Do we need to go home? But yeah, this train is actually pretty cool. I keep forgetting it's here because it's kind of out of sight, out of mind. I don't really know a whole lot about it, other than it's non-running. It's really about it. But yeah, I just decided to take my kid out just to play, but he's actually due for a nap. So, gotta get that energy out, I guess. Maybe he'll fall asleep on the way home. Who knows? Anyway, I'd love to hear what you guys are doing today. Also, if you're curious about why my videos are kind of vertical, it's because I film these on my phone. I don't have any other equipment at all. I have a phone. I film and edit these videos on my phone. Before you ask, yes, you can do that. It's not that hard. I'm a beginner, and I figured it out. Yeah, before this, we were over at Safeway, a few blocks that way. Got him some juice, me some lunch, some chicken, an 8-piece of chicken. Forgot to grab myself some drink, yay me. And grabbed him some Binkies. And I grabbed some things to make popsicles with. Had the idea that maybe it would be a fun idea to start making him popsicles since it is summertime. It's the end of June. July is starting in a couple of days, so figured that, and it's like 80, 90 plus degrees out, so that'd be good for a little baby, 1-year-old like him. So I'm just kind of ranting now. Yeah, if this one ever wants to go over towards the train, I might try to see what any history is on it. If not, I don't know. But I will see you guys in a little bit. So, as I'm about to head home with the little one, decided I'd come over here to this train, try to find out some information. Like quick facts. You guys want to pause over this kind of stuff, then read it, then go for it. But overall, seems cool. I think there's a few more like panels like that over here. And, like as I go around, figured I'd do a kind of panorama kind of thing of this. Like R.A. Long, that's the founder of my town here. Again, if you guys wanna just pause and read, then go for it. Like, check that out. It's cool. Like, I want to go up there. I want to go in there. That'd be cool. Like, the city is known for lumber and stuff. So like, there's one more thing over here. They even have a mannequin in there. Yeah, I want to go in there. That'd be cool. But yeah, I'm just gonna head home, head to get something to drink and then head home. But if you guys wanna read that over, if you want to, pretty much just a history of the lumber, whatever. And that, I think of that train, I'm not sure. I haven't read it. But it's just if you want. Don't have to. And I will see you guys later. Yeah. I'm gonna go home, put the little one down for a nap, and eat my lunch. So, have a good day, I suppose. But again. So I'm just getting back from taking the kiddo to the lake. Well, the playground at the lake. She didn't actually go in because it's gross. But I'm gonna end off this video here, probably. So that I can get this out before 10 tonight, because it is currently 6. And before you ask, yes, I did makeup, and yes, it's terrible, and no, I have zero experience doing makeup. I'm not a girl that usually does makeup, so this is a very rare sighting. But yeah, I'm gonna end this here so I can get this out before 10 tonight. Well, I just don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. They're both very newly created accounts. They were created around the time on like the same day I started this channel. So me starting this channel was very spur of the moment. And don't judge me on the names. The ones I wanted were taken. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.